In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save items and create a new saved list. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one profile or regularly switch between devices. Logging in first is important because your saved items and lists are usually tied directly to your account, which means they won't be stored properly unless you're signed in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and search for the items you want to save. You can use the search bar to type in the name of a product, a keyword, or anything else relevant to what you're looking for. Take a moment to browse the results and open any item that catches your attention. This is a good time to quickly review the item details so you can make sure it's something you actually want to keep track of for later. When you find an item you'd like to save, look for the heart icon and click it. In most interfaces, the heart symbol is used to mark something as a favorite or save it for future reference. After you click it, you may notice a visual change, like the heart filling in or changing color. That usually confirms that the item has been saved successfully. If you don't see any change right away, give it a second and make sure your internet connection is stable. After saving the item, navigate to the My Saved Items section. This is where all of the items you've marked with the heart icon are collected in one place. It's especially useful if you're comparing options, planning a future purchase, or simply organizing things you want to revisit later. Depending on the platform, this section may be located in your account menu, profile area, or main navigation. Once you're in My Saved Items, click Create New List. This allows you to organize your saved items into a separate custom list instead of keeping everything in one general collection. Creating a new list can help you stay organized, especially if you're saving items for different purposes, projects, or categories. And that's it. By logging in, searching for items, saving them with the heart icon, going to My Saved Items, and selecting Create New List, you can quickly build a more organized and personalized collection. Follow these steps anytime you want to keep track of important items more efficiently.